Hi, welcome.
I'm excited to get started with my new clients, Catherine and Jason. I've talked to them on the phone and seen pictures of their kitchen, which they're ready to redo. They've been saving a long time to make this happen, and they have a budget of $65,000. That's such a good vibe.
Thank you. We love it. We've
Yeah.
been here quite a long time, but
How long has it been?
17 years.
17.
What's not working for you?
It's not entertaining friendly, and
Yeah.
I do like to have friends over and love to cook. Right now, I just feel like we're boxed in.
It's a big space. By taking out these walls, it could be amazing. I mean, you could put a massive island in here.
Yeah,
That's what we're hoping for.
Yeah.
Well, this is a countertop here that used to
Oh my,
slide this way.
Wait, what?
This countertop was made for a smaller cabinet.
it doesn't belong there.
Okay,
I was
there's like
supposed-
tile
yes.
underneath.
Yes. And I was supposed to fix this like
12 years ago.
12 years ago and never got around to it. But now we are.
12 years later,
Hopefully.
we're gonna fix it.
This is my cooking area.
Oh no. Yeah, this
And
is tough.
this is my nightmare because I have to take the toaster move it. And my daughter loves to help me cook, but we're both in here and it's just
not fun.
not working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys share the same style?
No.
No.
When it comes to style, I'm pretty basic. I like streamlined, clean, all-white kitchen.
I like more industrial things, like blacks. I like gas pipes that they turn into like fixtures or shelving. Just like things that, that are out of the ordinary.
Believe it or not, because I've been doing this for a while now, it's like so similar that the woman has more of like a modern farmhouse and the
Yes.
guy's industrial.
Yeah.
So I've done it before.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually fun. I mean, it's a challenge.
Right.
But I promise I will deliver something that you guys both love. I would love to take out the wall separating the kitchen from the dining room, the wall separating the kitchen from the living room, the wall separating the living room from the office, and the wall separating the kitchen from the pantry. So then we'll have this wide open, amazing space that's just gonna be a blank surface. We can do whatever we like with it. We can create not only a new kitchen, but a new dining and living room area as well.
Be so nice.
It's gonna be wonderful. And I don't know which walls are load bearing, so I would love to get my contractor out here and get an exact bid on that. From there, once we have an open floor plan, I would love to create a massive island for you. One where you can have people over and entertain and can just have the chef's kitchen of your dreams. And we can put the range in here. We can have uppers and lowers, a large farmhouse sink right here, and we can slide the refrigerator down. That way it's more functional. And do a large pantry. Sounds good?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Soaking up the good times. All I want is good vibes.
Want to do that one?
out?
Sure. Let's go for it.
Oh my goodness. Bye-bye, old kitchen. Oh my God.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Starting to come
It
down,
does
yeah?
look better already.
Okay, so do we have a scoop on what's going on with the walls?
Not yet. So we're gonna take out this wall right here.
Right.
And then this whole section to open up.
Yep,
And then this wall over here.
Yep.
And then this wall as well, right?
yep,
Okay. All right. Let me poke a hole in the ceiling. Let me see what's going on.
okay.
Okay. All right. Well, this one is definitely load bearing.
Okay, I figured on that one.
Wow. That one's load bearing, and that one.
Oh,
So how much more are we talking?
3,500 for one beam,
Right.
and we're looking at 3
So
Like $10,000.
10,000 just in beams.
just in beams.
That's a lot.
If you guys don't want to spend the extra money, we have one post here. We could leave another post in this corner right here and get by with just one beam.
so basically there'd be a post right here and another post on the side of your island.
And that just basically
Kinda
defeats the
just
whole
shuts
purpose
out.
of having the
Right.
open
Open.
concept.
Right.
It's definitely unfortunate, but it's one of those things where if you don't do it now, you might regret it later.
Well, what do you think?
I definitely feel we've waited this long. If we have to do the extra, then we have to do it.
I think you guys are making the best choice.
Yeah.
I'll definitely be careful with the budget. The structural costs are a tough hit, especially at the beginning of a project. My job is to get them everything they want with this reno, but I'm really gonna have to watch all the other costs moving forward so that they don't go any more over budget. crazy.
It's like a whole nother house.
It really is. This just feels like how it should have always been, right?
Yes.
Right, it's completely wide open. It's gonna catch all the natural light coming through, and it's just gonna be huge.
Question though,
Yes.
Mike, why are you in a hole?
When we took out the drain, the guys pulled this up, and it's
Oh
completely
my
corroded.
gosh. Oh, don't.
Yeah, I know.
My stomach just flipped.
I mean, you know,
That
it's-
is bad.
Yeah, it's 50 years old, you know,
Very
and
old.
it's galvanized, so it's just, yeah, it's just building up over time. I would recommend just repiping it while we're here.
So everything, how does...
Yeah,
what
here
is-
all the way to the bathrooms.
And what is that?
what does it mean
Hit the
money-wise?
budget. Yeah.
Okay, cost-wise, about $4,000.
It's not great news.
I seriously cannot believe this right now. Not only for the extra money for the plumbing, but with each hit, I feel like we're taking a step backwards instead of getting the stuff done. We've been camped out at my mom's. I'm just ready for our space to come back together again.
Sorry you're getting hit with such big expenses. I'll definitely be careful with the budget for
Yeah.
materials.
Yes.
And make sure I choose things that look beautiful but are
Yes.
cost effective. You guys have spent so much money on things that no one can see, unfortunately. But now we're at the fun part.
Yes.
So now we get to pick things that you actually get to see.
I'm so excited for it.
Excited?
Very
Yes.
excited.
Okay, Jason, can you do me a favor? Can you grab that ladder and put it right here so I can lay some
Absolutely.
materials out for you? I can't wait to show them everything I bought. It's not only beautiful, but it's also within their budget. I went with flooring that I think combines both your guys' styles and kind of more of a warm tone.
I do like that.
Okay, so I'm thinking we can do an all-white kitchen, which is never gonna go out of style because I know you want a classic
Yes.
look, and we could spruce it up to add more of a modern industrial look with other materials.
Okay.
Okay.
So the island we could do white, which will really make it feel big and it'll feel super light and airy in here.
Okay.
So backsplash. This one is a bit more industrial.
I could see it, but I'm feeling concrete.
Okay.
What do you think? Do you like that?
I'm liking it.
So this one, more classic look, is a braided
Okay.
backsplash,
Ooh, I do like that.
which could look really nice with a gray or a white grout.
I love that. I do think maybe the white grout.
I was sticking with the gray grout. If we go with this one.
Well, something we can
Okay.
decide. This option basically blends your two styles, I think, because it's modern, but it's white.
Okay. This one to me seems like shapes.
Yep.
And I've never seen something like this before.
I've never seen this backsplash before. If it was me, if it was just my kitchen, I would probably go with one of these two. But I think this would be the happy medium.
That's a very good compromise.
I know.
Mad respect for you.
Yeah.
I love it, and it's not too feminine. It's really cool. Like,
No,
I love
it-
the pattern. It's interesting. It's unique, but it's not trendy. And to pull everything together, we'll use white quartz counters with subtle gray veining and black hardware for the perfect blend of your styles.
I love it. It's definitely my white kitchen that I'm loving.
Okay.
Speaking of that, there seems to be a lot of white in the kitchen. White
Perfect.
cabinets,
It's perfect.
white
It's perfect.
giant island. Do you think we could pick up maybe some of these tones for the island?
Honestly, what caught my eye is your dining room table. What I really love about it is the fact that it really incorporates both your styles. So you have farmhouse style, and then you also have kind of modern industrial with the black and the nail heads. So I think that we could do a color for the island that's exactly like your table.
Okay.
Which will look amazing.
I'd be
Yes.
on board with that, yeah.
Okay, we're excited.
I'm
Thank you.
excited. I think this is a perfect choice.
Okay.
All right. Oh my gosh. This island is massive.
It is humongous, but I'm so excited with the amount of entertaining I'm going to be doing.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Isn't it huge?
Yeah, it's giving my island a run for its money.
Like your range is like right here now. So do you remember like all the cooking
Yes.
space you had before? Like now you have this whole area.
What cooking space? I had no
Right,
cooking
I know.
Good point. And it's a 2-slab island, meaning like one countertop does not even fit on this island. You have to get 2.
Hey, go big, right?
Right? What do you guys think of the counters? You guys just brought them in?
Oh my gosh, they are a dream. This is finally coming together and looking like a kitchen.
All right, so what are our next steps?
We're gonna set the 2 slabs over here,
Okay.
and then we can get started on the backsplash, and then we'll start doing the cabinet hardware.
How long are we looking?
Another week and a half here,
Oh my god.
and then we'll start painting.
Oh my gosh, so
Yeah.
like
Really soon.
2
Yeah,
weeks,
2
I
weeks,
can
we're gonna
start
be
cooking?
done. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
I haven't forgotten about Jason wanting more modern industrial elements. So I found something I think he's really gonna like.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That is
So-
beautiful.
To go with the massive island, you know, I think we need some big, bold lights. So
Wow.
Hold these.
Yeah, that would definitely work. And are we talking multiple pendants?
I'm thinking 2 and hanging about to the height of the hood.
That is beautiful.
Bold pendants for a bold island.
There you go.
Okay, let's talk backsplash.
I love it. It makes the kitchen complete.
So the last step is we need to choose a grout. The grout really will change the look. So brought light gray and a white. There's the white. That will kind of make the pattern fade a bit. And then we have a light gray, which I feel like will still be soft and look nice with the veining and the marble, but it won't be too bold.
I think if you did an all white, you lose the pattern, and then you have white cabinets, white sink,
White cabinets. But I can totally see how we wouldn't even see the beautiful backsplash of it if we used the white.
If it was my kitchen, I would definitely choose the light gray. I think that'll look really pretty, subtle. It will match the veining in the counter, and I think that's a really good decision.
What do you have in mind to finish off the space over there?
So I'm thinking it'd be nice if we did like a table right here, which could kind of be a worktop for the kids.
Okay.
And then over here for you guys, we can just do like a really cute setup with like 4 chairs and a nice table. And I think your dining room table will look good where we have it over there by the window.
Okay.
Hey. You excited?
Beyond.
Yes.
I know you guys have seen most of it, but you have no idea how different houses look when they're fully ready to go. You ready? Let's go. Okay.
Anticipation is killing me.
Okay. Come on in.
Oh my gosh. Absolutely stunning.
Can't believe this is the same house.
This is my house.
You're just so beautiful.
All right.
Jason, you're so quiet.
I'm at a loss for words. So taking.
Oh my gosh, look
Take
at
it all
There's
in.
a lot to take in. Yeah.
There is a lot to take in.
Look at these bar stools, this bar, I mean, this seating area, it's gorgeous.
This area over here is amazing. I'm so glad that we decided to take this wall out. It's
I
just
know. Remember,
everything-
we had that wall that blocked everything out. It's just livable spaces.
It went from being boxy and dark with a lot of areas that were not usable that you guys
Yes.
weren't using to just now being wide open, and I can literally visualize you guys using every square inch of the space.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
like one huge
Look how,
functioning space.
yes, and just this whole area is so, it's entertaining, it's together, and look, Olivia is going to love this area.
Because it is so open, and I have a similar thing going on at my house, like I just wanted it to look and feel like kid-friendly
Yes.
and usable, but at the same time still look beautiful
Right.
and go with the style of your house.
And the flooring is just beautiful.
And the way it looks with the island, it gives it like that natural earthy feel. And then the backsplash, oh my gosh,
Absolutely
that's-
gorgeous.
my favorite ever.
We knew it was going to be something different, but like once it was grouted, the pattern just really pops on it.
I am so, so thankful we did not do an all-white kitchen. I would have never done this on my own.
It's like a magazine.
Good, that's what I would like to hear because we did go a bit over budget.
Oh,
We did.
yes.
We ended up spending extra on piping issues and flooring.
I know we went over budget, but I know that we have no regrets.
Good,
We'll be able to enjoy it for many years.
good.